This webinar is presented by NinjaTrader LLC, which is the technology company responsible for developing and supporting the NinjaTrader trading software. Brokerage-related questions should be directed to NinjaTrader Brokerage using the number or the email on the screen. Lastly, if you are new to NinjaTrader, please make sure you sign up for a free NinjaTrader account, which includes access to 14 days of complimentary real-time market data. Our platform is always free for advanced charting, strategy backtesting, and trade simulation. You could create your free account by following the link on the screen and clicking Get Started under the Welcome section. And before I turn the mic over to Max, it is important to understand that futures, foreign currency, and options trading contain substantial risk and is not suitable for every investor. It is possible to lose all or more than the initial investment. Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing one's financial security or lifestyle. Only risk capital should be used for trading, and only those with sufficient risk capital should consider trading. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. For more information or a copy of the full CFT risk disclosure, please visit this link. Also, please remember that these training sessions are not a solicitation or recommendation, but simply educational in nature. Thanks again for joining us today. Without further ado, it is my pleasure to welcome to the NinjaTrader room, Max.
Hi, everyone. First, I'd like to thank Chris and his team for all the effort they put into organizing this. My name is Max, live from Montreal. Yes, a bit cold today. I'm a founder of TWC, TradeWise Creations. This is my first webinar, so I'm both a little nervous and really excited to be here with all of you. So in today's webinar, we'll start by discussing the risks associated with trading to ensure everyone understands the challenges involved. Next, number 2, I'll introduce TWC, TradeWise Creations, and what we do. Then we'll dive into the real focus of this presentation, understanding divergence in trading, an important concept for interpreting market behavior. After that, we'll explore the products we offer at TWC and the resources available to support traders just like yourself. So let's go. So before we begin, actually, I want to quickly go over some important disclaimers. Futures and forex trading involve significant risk, and you could lose more than your initial investment. Only use risk capital, so money you can afford to lose. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. We also will also be showing hypothetical performance, which doesn't account for real financial risk or emotional factors in live trading. So actual results can differ. Okay, so about TradeWise Creations, how TradeWise started. So in 2022, a group of traders, including myself and algorithm developers, came together to form our company with the goal of creating a volume-based algorithm. We'll get to it later. After months of collaboration, we successfully developed a functional trading algorithm designed to optimize market decisions and reduce risk. So 2023, trading algorithm was officially launched, marking the first product in our portfolio. This milestone also saw TWC become a NinjaTrader 8 vendor, giving the company a more established presence in the trading community. 2024, with the small success of the initial algorithm, we continue to innovate in 2024 by developing new products that support traders in diverse ways. The Superdome was introduced. Once again, we'll get to it later, to help traders manage orders, while Clone X and a series of market indicators were created to enhance data analysis and trading strategies. So 2025, looking to the future, TWC is set to launch the Ultra Bond algorithm. So it's an algorithm designed with a very specific strategy on the Ultra US Treasury bond. So looking forward to that. This next step is part of our long-term vision to develop trading solutions. Okay, so let's get into it. So divergence. In the simplest terms, futures trading is about balancing buyers and sellers. So where there are more buyers than sellers, the price tends to go up. Where there are more sellers than buyers, the price tends to go down. Very basic. So this is the basic principle of supply and demand, which drives the market in most cases. To understand this better, let's think of it as an auction. So imagine you're at an auction for an antique painting or a muscle car, whatever it is that you like. If more people are bidding, pushing the price higher, the painting's value increases as demand exceeds supply. If fewer people bid, the price drops because the supply outweighs the demand. The same dynamic happens in futures trading. Buyers bid for contracts and sellers offer them. The price moves based on which side is stronger. In futures, we're looking at contracts for future delivery of assets like commodities or indexes. The price is determined by how many buyers and sellers are in the market. Futures traders use this understanding to predict price direction with the belief that if more buyers are willing to purchase a contract, its price will rise. And if more sellers are looking to sell, the price will fall. But this is where divergence comes in. Things don't always follow this pattern. This brings us to the concept of divergence, where price doesn't behave as expected, despite what the market indicators suggest. There you go. Now that we understand how supply and demand typically moves prices, let's look at what happens when that doesn't follow the expected pattern. This is called divergence. Divergence occurs when the price of a futures contract moves in one direction, but the market indicators, especially cumulative delta, volume, or other tools, are showing something different. Okay. On our chart here, or on this slide, we have three key indicators. So we have the price, cumulative delta, and the volume. Okay, so one at a time. The price shows us the direction of the market. Here, as you can see on these candles, on the left-hand side of the candle, there's another bar. If the bar is green, it means the price went up. If it's red, it's because it went down. Then the cumulative delta tracks the difference between buying and selling pressure. So let's take this one, for example, this candle. So this is not how many buyers there were. So this is how many more buyers than sellers there were. So this is buyers minus sellers. So yeah, the delta. It shows us how many buyers are in the market versus how many sellers. Volume tells us how much activity there is, giving us a clue about the strength of that move. So let's see on the graph right here. So let's take this one, for example. So every time you see a candle with an arrow above it, that means there was a divergence. So let's look at this one. So this on this price level, the price went down. If we go down, we see that there were more buyers than sellers. Okay, and we'll see why. We'll look at why this can happen. But if we look down here, we see that the volume was pretty low. So maybe this is not as indicative. So maybe if you see here on this candle with the right arrow above it, there's a lot of volume. You can see down here. The buyers, there were more buyers than sellers, even on the candle before, a lot more buyers than sellers, still more buyers, yet the price goes down. It goes down quite a lot here, actually. So maybe a lot of buyers were trapped here. So now imagine a situation where we see a lot of buying pressure, more buyers than sellers, but the price is still going down. This could be an indication of divergence. So why does this happen? That's the real question. So why is, if there's more buyers than sellers, why is the price going down? So often it's due to institutional traders executing large limit orders that you can't see directly on the market. So we see market orders, but not limit orders. These trades may be taking place away from the visible scope or the visible market price, pushing the price down when even though buying pressure is still increasing. There are a few reasons why divergence occurs. First, as I mentioned, institutional players with large positions can cause price action that doesn't reflect the immediate order flow that we can see. Second, limit orders, those that are not executed at the current market price. They are invisible to us traders, yet they still affect the price. If these orders are being filled behind the scenes, we might see price move in the opposite direction from the indicator's prediction. It's also important to note that volume plays a critical role in determining the significance of a divergence. Just like I said, just like I showed right here, this divergence is not as significant as this one. And we can see how the price behaved after that. This is a divergence done with a lot of volume. This is a divergence here done with a lot less volume. So this one is way more significant. So if the volume is low during the divergence, it's often less meaningful because it suggests a lack of participation and conviction. So high volume divergences, on the other hand, may signal a more significant shift in market sentiment. So now that we have a clear picture of what divergence looks like and why it happens, but what can we do with this information is the real question. So how do we trade with this? How can we use divergence to improve our trading strategies? So when you see divergence, you might be disappointed with this. The first thing to keep in mind is caution. Just because there's a lot of buying pressure doesn't mean that the price will go up. This is one of the key lessons of divergence. It reminds us that price movement is not always straightforward. While more buyers and sellers typically push the price up, divergence shows us that the market can behave. I don't want to say erratically, but certainly differently. And sometimes that behavior is a signal that something larger is happening. So when all your indicators are showing something, divergence can occur and the market can go the other way. For instance, imagine you see a strong buying pressure, but the price continues to fall. This could be a sign that larger institutional traders are unloading positions that we can't see. If you act on the assumption that the price will rise simply because there are more buyers, you might end up on the wrong side of the market, risking unnecessary losses. So think of divergence as a red flag. It doesn't guarantee that the market will reverse, but it signals that something might be off with the price action. That it's worth taking a step back to assess the situation more carefully. So the key takeaway here is price movement is about more than numbers. Watch the whole picture. Don't just focus on the surface. of the price and volume. Pay attention to what the indicators are telling you and use that information to make more informed decisions. In futures trading, understanding divergence is a valuable tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Always use it with caution and as part of a larger strategy to protect your capital and make smarter trading choices. TWC products. Some cool products that we have that I would love to show you. First one is the TWC Superdome. So this is the dome that TWC offers. So NinjaTrader offers a very cool dome that provides essential functions for trading. However, TWC Superdome takes things a step further. It includes all the standard features you'd expect from for smooth and efficient trading, such as of course, price ladder, visual representation of price levels, order entry. So easily place your order directly from the price ladder by clicking on your desired price level. Order management, so modify, cancel, or add new orders in real time without having to leave the interface. Real-time market data, of course, market depth visualization, and volume at price. So displays the total volume traded on each price level. So our dome offers that, just like the Ninja Trader dome. Now let's talk about what really sets the TWC Superdome apart. We've taken the best features from leading platforms and added our own innovative touches, making it highly customizable and user-friendly. Here's what makes the TWC Superdome stand out. So, yeah, there you go. One of the standout features is the customization. We've built templates that cater to all the major trading platforms. Whether you like the look of NinjaTrader, so this is us copying the NinjaTrader dome. Jigsaw, if ever you started on Jigsaw and like the dome, we can easily copy that. Or TT, Trading Technologies, if you ever use TT and you like their dome, you can recreate it with our customizable dome. And this last one is the template that we made for everyone. You know, this is the TWC template with all the features. So super customizable. What else? The value area also comes with our dome. The value area is a key concept in market analysis. It represents the price range where the most trading activity has occurred during a specific time period. So often showing the area where the majority of volume is concentrated. So with the TWC Superdome, you'll have the value area built in, allowing you to easily identify key support and resistant levels based on the most traded price levels. This helps traders focus on where the market is most likely to find equilibrium. The last, another feature that you'll have with our dome, with our Superdome, is the TWC volume ratio indicator, which is its separate product, and we'll get to it later. But it's part of the TWC Superdome. We'll just get to it later. Yeah, with these enhanced features, the TWC Superdome gives you all the tools you need to make informed, quick, and effective trading decisions. So now the volume ratio indicator, I really like this product. And like I said, it comes with the Superdome, or you can just have it on its own and pair it with the NinjaTrader dome, as you can see right here. So the reason I like this so much is a lot of tools out there, they can help you to know when to enter a trade. But this volume indicator or volume ratio indicator helps you answer one of the most important questions in trading is when to exit. So once you've entered a trade, the columns here on the right-hand side, the blue is much clearer on your own screen. So once you've entered a trade, the columns here, there you go. On the TWC Superdome will populate with the real-time buyer to seller ratio. Here's how it works. So if the buyer ratio is higher, the ratio will be displayed in blue, indicating that buyers are in control. All right. So the numbers here on each line where the numbers are written in blue, that means that the buying pressure is greater than the selling pressure. So if the seller ratio is higher, then the ratio will be displayed in red, signaling that sellers are taking charge. So when I took this trade, it was blue, 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 blue. Then I saw this red line, stayed in the trade, remained blue. Okay, so I knew I was in the right direction, or it helped me make sure I was in the right direction. And now at the top, you can see that the new numbers coming out are red. This indicates that it's maybe, and I have to stress this, maybe time to get out of your trade. So it's just an indicator, in-trade indicator, that will tell you when the winds are changing, right? So both blue and red numbers can appear at the same time in the columns, like as you can see right now. But there will always be a dominant color on the screen showing you the overall market sentiment. Stay in your trade as long as the dominant color favors you. Once you see the color shift, that's maybe a signal to exit. So this unique feature allows you to ride the wave of momentum and exit when the tide turns, minimizing risk and helping you make smarter decisions. Yeah. TWC semi-auto algo. That's the first algo that we came up with. So it's volume based. I like this algo very much. It's super cool. So it's designed to trigger entries automatically when a specific buy-sell ratio, example 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, is reached across a desired number of price levels. So let's say it's 3-3, levels 3, ratios 3. So I want 3 times more buying force than selling force on 3 different levels. If it reaches that, then it fires. Okay, so it automatically triggers when the set ratio is reached on specific price levels. It's semi-automatic, so the algorithm handles entry, but you control exits, providing flexibility and oversight. Customizable, so adjust parameters to fit your strategy and risk tolerance. So on my screen right now, the levels are 2, ratios are 2. That's very risky. So if you want to put 4 and 4, then it'll be a lot safer. It won't fire as often, but it'll be safer. For risk management, it includes NinjaTrader's built-in risk management tool. So the stop loss, the take profit, and other advanced features. So some people might ask, so how can I get rich with a $99 algorithm? The answer is you won't. Okay, so while the TWC semi-auto algo does exactly what it says it does, so triggering trades when specific buy-sell ratios are reached on a set number of price level, that strategy alone isn't enough to guarantee significant profits. You can use it as a tool. You can use it as a reinforcer that, oh, okay, so the algo just fired. So I was thinking about this position. Okay, I'll take it as well. It's a great indicator, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. You can significantly improve your results by doing what I do. And this is every day, or this is what my team does, every day at 9:30, I open the algorithm, so 8 times. You can open it as many times as you like. You don't have to just open it once. using different instruments and ratios. So along with an ATM strategy that includes a take profit. After about 30 minutes, I look at all the 8 algos that I open. I evaluate which parameters performed best on which instrument. Then I focus on those instruments and adjust the ratios and level accordingly. So I get rid of 7 of them and just keep the one that worked the best. It means that on that day or in these particular circumstances, this ratio and this number of level and this instrument responded very well to the algorithm. You can even open the algo 20 times at once if you wanted to. So in short, the algorithm is a powerful tool, but success comes from using it strategically and continuously optimizing based on market conditions. Okay, so the ratio and the levels that worked one day are not necessarily going to work the next day. Oh, there you go. That's what it looks like. Clone X. I like this slide. Clone X is a powerful tool that allows you to mirror trades from a master account to one or more slave accounts. So you have complete control over the process, from selecting the master account to adjusting position size and managing exits. So you choose which account acts as the master, and all connected slave accounts will automatically copy its trade. Easily activate or deactivate any slave accounts. You can set the position size for each slave account individually. So this one, Sim 106. So I could just put same as master. So if my master takes a single position, it'll also take a single position. Or I can also change it. You can exit trades quickly and efficiently, either manually or automatically. And TWC Clone X offers a unique, it's right here, reverse option, allowing slave accounts to take trades in the opposite direction of the master. This feature is ideal for hedging or testing different strategies, or even if that's your thing, to test news when there's big news in the market and you want to take 2 positions at the same time, or you can do that easily with the TWC Clone X. So with this copy trader, you can scale your trading effortlessly across multiple accounts. It gives you complete control over trade execution and risk management, while advanced features like the reverse option provide added flexibility for testing different strategies. Whether you're managing your own accounts or overseeing a group of accounts, CloneX streamlines and customizes your trading experience. It's super cool, very effective product. I really like it. So right here on this slide, you can see it to work, you know. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 10 accounts. The master was the Sim Apex 1. And yeah, it works very well. Very, very cool machine. Okay. So resources. At TWC, we pride ourselves most on our customer service. We're easy to reach and always happy to help, whether you want to chat casually or need technical support for one of your products. We've got you covered. I'll put these in the chat. So give me a second. For Discord, we've got a Discord that you can easily join. I'll put it right here in the chat. Oh, I'm sorry. There were some questions that I forgot to answer. Let's see if I can just answer some of them quickly. Everyone here, this is for the Discord. What is the Clonex cost? Can you tell us or send it by email? Yeah, I have the website right here. It is $99, so a single payment of $99. There's never any recurring fees. Um, do your products work with level 1 data? I'm not sure. Does the semi-auto act as a simple confluence to help? I don't know what confluence is. Here, I'll send you the other, the other links. Discord, YouTube. This is our YouTube channel. This will answer a lot of these questions. There you go. I think that was to everyone. Yeah, you're welcome. Um, So yeah, Discord. Join us on Discord where you can just, shoot the breeze or ask for assistance. YouTube, check out I think I just sent it, our YouTube channel for helpful content, and feel free to ask questions there too. I will answer them. Everyone is welcome. And this is our website. I could have maybe shown it to you. Here's our website. And on the website, there is a live chat feature. So don't hesitate to use it. We're here to assist you. If you choose to purchase one of our products, rest assured you'll always have customer service and tech support available. You can find us, you can talk with us, communicate with us on YouTube, on Discord, or directly on the website. Also, money back guarantee policy. We're here to support you every step of the way. Um, Thank you so much for listening. And as a token of appreciation, we have a 40% promo code for you. We look forward to supporting you on your trading journey. Let me give you this promo code. Now I'll pass it back to Chris to finish the presentation. And everyone, thank you so much. Thanks again.
Thanks again, Max, for taking the time to share with us today. Everyone in attendance will receive an on-demand recording of today's event, so keep an eye out for that email. If you enjoyed today's session, we hope you'll join us for future webinars. Follow us on social media for alerts about upcoming events and other NinjaTrader ecosystem news. We would like to remind you that the information provided in this was that of TradeWise Creations and not of NinjaTrader. All information was for educational purposes and should not be construed as trading advice. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we hope to see you in future webinars. Happy trading from all of us at NinjaTrader Ecosystem.